So now that we've built an understanding of classes and objects, how do these things work in Unity? Well, as a general rule, the scripts that we write in Unity are classes. And when we attach a script as a component to a game object in a Unity scene, then we get an instance of the class, specifically an object, attached to that game object. And I know the terminology can get a little confusing because there's objects flying all over the place. So game objects are the things in a Unity scene, and objects are instances of a class. And I'll be careful to say game object when I mean game object, and object when I mean instance of a class. It turns out that in Unity, we tend not to use constructors to build instances of classes, but we'll learn the details of how that actually works in the next module. So let's go to a Unity project and look at this in a little more detail. This is our first Unity script project. And remember, I said that scripts are classes, and once we attach a script to a game object, that game object gets an instance of the class, an actual object, attached to it. So to show you that scripts are classes, I'll double click our print message script, and we can tell it's a class because we see this word up at the top of the file that gets generated when we create a new script. So that shows you that our scripts are actually classes. The part that's an object, if I select the main camera object in the hierarchy window and turn on the Windows magnifier, over here in the inspector for the main camera, we see we have this print message script as a component down at the bottom of our list of components, and that actually is an object. It's an instance of the print message class that gets attached to the game object. To recap, the scripts we write in Unity are actually classes, and once we attach a script to a game object in a scene, then that game object gets an instance of the script class, so it gets an object attached to it.